Introduction: The world of McDonald's hamburgers. McDonald's, one of the most iconic fast food chains in the world, has been serving millions of customers across the globe since its founding in 1940. Their menu is known for its consistency, speed, and affordability, with hamburgers being at the heart of their offerings. Among the wide array of burgers, the classic McDonald's hamburger stands out as a symbol of fast food. But have you ever wondered how these famous hamburgers are made, from farm to fryer to final bite? Let's take a detailed, in-depth journey into how McDonald's hamburgers are made, step by step, exploring the process, history, ingredients, and quality standards that go into every single burger. The history of McDonald's hamburgers. Before delving into the intricacies of making a McDonald's hamburger, it's important to understand the rich history of this iconic meal. McDonald's started in 1940 when Richard and Maurice McDonald opened their first restaurant in San Bernardino, California. However, it wasn't until Ray Kroc, a milkshake machine sales agent, joined in 1954 that the McDonald's brand expanded into the global phenomenon it is today. In the early days, McDonald's had a relatively simple menu with the famous speedy service system, a precursor to the modern fast food model. This system emphasized quick service and efficient food production, an ethos that is still fundamental to McDonald's operations today. The original hamburger recipe was basic, featuring a simple beef patty, mustard, ketchup, pickles, and onions on a soft bun. Over the years, McDonald's expanded its offerings, adding various other sandwiches, including the Quarter Pounder, Big Mac, and Chicken McNuggets. However, the basic hamburger has remained one of the chain's signature products, and its production process is designed to maintain high standards and consistency across all locations. Sourcing the ingredients, quality at the core. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger begins long before it reaches the grill. The ingredients that make up the burger are carefully sourced from suppliers that McDonald's has worked with for decades. McDonald's takes pride in ensuring that every element of the burger, from the beef to the bun, meets strict quality standards. Beef sourcing, ensuring quality and sustainability. McDonald's hamburgers are made from 100% pure beef with no fillers, preservatives, or artificial additives. The beef is sourced from reputable suppliers who adhere to McDonald's strict guidelines for quality and sustainability. In the United States, McDonald's works with suppliers who follow the standards set by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, for beef production. The company ensures that the beef is free from hormones and antibiotics, a practice that aligns with their commitment to providing high-quality ingredients to customers. In addition to quality, McDonald's also emphasizes sustainability in its beef sourcing. The company works with farmers who are committed to ethical and sustainable practices, such as responsible land use, water conservation, and minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. McDonald's also supports the Global Roundtable for Sustainable Beef, a collaborative initiative to promote sustainable beef production worldwide. The bun, freshness and consistency. The bun that holds the McDonald's hamburger is just as important as the beef patty itself. McDonald's uses a soft, lightly toasted bun that is specifically designed to complement the flavors of the hamburger. The buns are sourced from trusted suppliers who meet McDonald's rigorous standards for quality, consistency, and freshness. The buns are delivered fresh to McDonald's restaurants daily, ensuring that they maintain their soft texture and perfect balance with the beef patty. Pickles, onions, and condiments, simple yet essential. The simple yet flavorful condiments that accompany the McDonald's hamburger, pickles, onions, ketchup, and mustard, are carefully selected and processed to ensure quality and freshness. The pickles, for example, are made from high-quality cucumbers that are sliced and pickled to create the perfect balance of sour and tangy flavors. The onions are finely chopped, providing just the right amount of crunch and flavor. Ketchup and mustard are sourced from leading suppliers known for their consistency and taste. For special burgers, like the Big Mac, the iconic secret sauce is prepared in-house according to McDonald's proprietary recipe. The sauce provides a creamy, tangy addition that enhances the overall flavor profile of the burger. The production process, from raw ingredients to fresh burger. Once the ingredients are sourced, McDonald's restaurants are ready to begin the process of making a hamburger. This process is designed to ensure speed, consistency, and high quality at every location, whether it's in a bustling city or a quiet suburb. The patty, grinding, forming, and cooking. The beef patties used in McDonald's hamburgers are made from freshly ground beef, which is delivered to each location in pre-portioned amounts. The beef is ground to McDonald's specifications and shaped into uniform patties that are the right size and thickness for the buns. The patties are then quickly frozen to maintain freshness and are delivered to restaurants, where they are stored in commercial freezers until they are ready to be cooked. When an order for a hamburger is placed, the patty is removed from the freezer and placed directly onto a hot, flat-top grill. McDonald's uses specialized cooking equipment to ensure that each patty is cooked to perfection. The grill is preheated to the optimal temperature to create a seared crust on the outside of the patty while keeping the inside tender and juicy. The patties are cooked for a precise amount of time to ensure they reach the proper internal temperature, typically around 160 F, 71 C. This ensures that the burgers are safe to eat while maintaining their flavor and texture. Assembling the hamburger. While the patty is cooking, the rest of the burger is prepared. The soft, toasted bun is placed on a clean surface, and the toppings are added. For a classic McDonald's hamburger, this includes a slice of dill pickle, a small amount of finely chopped onions, and ketchup and mustard. For other sandwiches, such as the Big Mac, additional ingredients like lettuce, cheese, and McDonald's secret sauce are added to create the signature flavor profile. Once the patty is cooked, it is placed directly on the bottom half of the bun. The top bun is then placed on top, and the burger is ready for packaging. Packaging and delivery. After assembly, the burger is wrapped in McDonald's signature paper and placed in a bag or box for delivery. The fast food chain places a strong emphasis on speed and accuracy, ensuring that the burger is ready to be handed to the customer as quickly as possible. Whether you're dining in, ordering through the drive-thru, or using the mobile app, McDonald's has streamlined the process to ensure that your hamburger reaches you fresh and hot. Maintaining consistency. The McDonald's system. One of the key reasons McDonald's hamburgers are so popular worldwide is the brand's ability to maintain consistency across all of its locations. This consistency is achieved through a combination of strict standards, standardized procedures, and ongoing training for staff. Quality control and training. Every McDonald's restaurant follows a set of strict guidelines when it comes to food preparation. From the sourcing of ingredients to the cooking process, every step is carefully monitored to ensure that each burger is made to the same high standards. McDonald's provides ongoing training to its employees, ensuring they are equipped to make every burger according to the company's specifications. The company also regularly conducts quality control checks to make sure that the food served is of the highest possible quality. Advanced technology in the kitchen. To enhance the consistency and speed of burger production, McDonald's has invested in advanced kitchen technology. Automated systems are used to cook the beef patties to the exact temperature, while advanced fryers ensure that the fries and other sides are consistently cooked to perfection. These technologies help to minimize human error and ensure that each customer receives the same high-quality experience, no matter where they are in the world. Sustainability and McDonald's commitment to the environment. In addition to the quality of their hamburgers, McDonald's is also committed to sustainability. The company recognizes the impact that food production can have on the environment and is continuously working to improve its practices. McDonald's has implemented initiatives to reduce its carbon footprint, including using renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and sourcing ingredients from sustainable suppliers. One of the company's most significant initiatives is its goal to reduce greenhouse gas emissions across its global supply chain. McDonald's is also committed to reducing plastic waste and improving the recyclability of its packaging. These efforts are part of McDonald's broader strategy to operate in a more sustainable and environmentally responsible way. Conclusion: the McDonald's experience. From the careful sourcing of ingredients to the precise cooking process and global consistency, McDonald's hamburgers are a product of decades of refinement, innovation, and a commitment to quality. Whether you're enjoying a classic hamburger or a more elaborate creation like the Big Mac, every McDonald's burger is made with the same attention to detail that has made the brand a household name across the world. At the heart of it all is the simple idea of providing customers with a fast, affordable, and consistently delicious meal. McDonald's commitment to quality, speed, and sustainability ensures that each burger is as good as the last, whether you're enjoying it at your local McDonald's or halfway around the world. The next time you take a bite of a McDonald's hamburger, remember the journey it took to get to you from farm to fryer.